Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. If you're just viewing, welcome back. If you already a subscriber, and today we are about to make a headband wig. So as you see, I'm using the glue gun and the glue stick. I pushed that wig cap on the mannequin head and we are about to get this wig going. I am excited because yes, I love this wig. What I did, because I want to catch this hair up in one sometime, I put 2 rows of hair upwards. Guys, thank you so much for the support. Thank you so much for the love. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm feeling it. Yes, and this will be a little bit of a speed video because as you know, I make a video already doing the headband wig. So today's video will be a little bit speeded up. But it will be a full headband wig. Like you will see everything that I did. But it's just that it is a little bit speeded up. What I did, I make sure I put the hair on the mannequin head as flat as possible. Guys, don't worry about the using the glue. If you're thinking, is this glue hold? Does it hold? It hold, baby. It hold. It hold. It had nowhere going. It holds so tight. This video is a little bit of self-explained, so what I'm going to do when I reach to the front, I will come back and say what I have to say. Okay, at this point I'm just going straight across with the hair because I want the front to be as flat as possible. So what I did, I just cut the ear to fit the size and I just go across. I try to go straight, but a girl cannot get the straight line. So what I did, I just laid the hair as flat as possible to the front. As you can see, I take my little time and I put my last one. I leave out a little bit of space. Why? Because I want my headband to lay as flat as possible, because the way I'm going to put the headband, I really need that little space to leave out. So I put the headband around the head. You can buy a headband from any beauty shop. What I'm going to do now is glue it down. Okay, you might be saying, what is she doing? How the headband are we going to hide? What I'm going to do now, guys, please use the glue as clean as possible. I wasn't good at that, but wigs still come true. The video get a little bit dark there, but what I am doing is folding the wig up and tuck it a little bit. Okay, as you can see, it become a headband wig. And what I doing now is go straight to hairs to hairs. You can do it go straight around to the back, but I don't do it go straight around to the back. I do it from hairs to hairs and it was perfect. You can do it go straight around. And what I forget to say, when you're gluing the hair, please don't go straight down. Leave a little bit of space, as you see me do, just to put the the headband, and then I just tack it. I do not tack everything because you don't need to tack everything because this glue all. So what you need to tack is the headband to the wig around, and then when you fold it over, you just put a little bit of glue. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to support a black girl. I appreciate any little I get. I'm not greedy. I'm not going to say, oh yeah, whatever. But subscribe to my channel, please. I would appreciate every little thing. And that is the wig. After it dry, I take it off, and it was amazing. It was amazing. Guys, thank you so much for the love, the support, and everything. Stay tuned to see how I rock this wig and my head, and make yourself a headband wig because it's easy and you will get it. This is beautiful me. This is me. Bye guys, love you, one love.